Hi there, Nick from asinzen. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset the password of a sub-account on the asinzen web portal. Start by opening up a tab on your browser and going to app.asinzen.com. Then log in with your main account, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, locate and click on your name on the top right hand corner. Then locate and click on Manage Sub-Accounts. Here you will see a list of your sub-accounts. To change the password of a sub-account, click on the pencil icon. To change the password, simply enter in a new password on the password field and then confirm the password once again and then click on Save and Close. Then click on Save to confirm you want to make this update to the member information. That's all for this video, but feel free to check out some of the other tutorials to learn even more about using AZ Insight. And as always, if you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.asinzen.com.